Hey my glamkins, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'll be sharing my Nykaa haul today after so long. You guys have been asking me to film more haul videos, so here I am with one more. I was filming vlogs, so I was a bit occupied and sharing everything over there, but then I thought that I should also be sharing my haul videos separately because you like seeing them separately. So if you guys are interested in knowing that what I have got recently, then guys please continue watching. So let me first begin with this product right here. Nykaa Luxe is their luxury store. All their high-end brands come in this black and pink sort of packaging, and here I have purchased myself Becca Champagne Pop. Now Becca has finally launched on Nykaa, because if you guys have been following me for 2-3 years, you know I love using Champagne Pop so much. Mine is broken. It's right up here. If you have watched my vlog or if you have been following me for a while, I did have showed you that palette, Jaclyn Hill palette. I am so excited with this. This was for 2900 and you get 8 grams of the product. Guys, I have just got 15 minutes to shoot because sun is about to go, guys. This is Champagne Pop. Let me give you. Oh, it feels so soft. They have also got other shades. I have got a sheet with my purchase. Let me show you. So there's chocolate something shade, then there's Champagne Pop, there is Opal. I also love Opal, but Champagne Pop is my all-time favorite. Currently I've used ABH So Hollywood. You can also buy it in smaller size. I also got 2 more free products with it. This is their Hydra Mist powder and it's in their deluxe size, travel friendly. I want to check this product out as well. I might try it in my vlogs. This is their First Light priming filter. I wish I've got backlight priming filter. I don't have that. It contains 6 ml. It was my birthday when I got this, so they have given me sheet mask from Nykaa. I don't like the sheet mask. I think I will give it to someone who will appreciate this because I just don't like the sheet mask at all. So I've got few things from Swiss Beauty. First, let me show you that. This is their eyeshadow and blusher palette. It's in the shade 04. Guys, I'm making it quick. I want to shoot it today itself because I've got very less time. So please bear with me if I'm speaking very fast. I got this because of all the colors it has got in this palette for $4.99. I was super impressed, but then none of these bright shades work fine, you guys. I tried to play with this palette. I also showed you guys on my Instagram story, and I thought that I will be reviewing this palette and everything, but I just don't like this palette at all. I've not tested this blushers yet, but yeah, I was not impressed with the eyeshadows. They are very bad quality. For $4.99, I think you can get beautiful palettes on Amazon for sure, rather than investing in this one, because the colors were so good, but the palette is not that good. I will try to scrape this eyeshadows and add my Duraline to it to make it work, but yeah, as a palette I wouldn't recommend that one. The next product that I have got is Swiss Beauty Heart Impression Liquid Liner. This is so cute. It is smooth feeling, long lasting, waterproof. It's Big Eye Deep Black 12 Hours Duo Eyeliner, and let me show you the product. Guys, if I don't mention the prices of the product, I will try to mention it under the screen or maybe in the description box. Also, I will try to mention the links where you can purchase this. This was for 260 rupees. So on one side there is this eyeliner, black in color. On the other side there is this heart. I was like that you have to use eyeliner and then you can use this, but no, you just have to stamp it and it just forms hearts. Oh my god, this is so cute. Should I do it here? Not now. So shown you few styles on the back of packaging, and I got Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal. It's in the shade Pearly White. Oh my god, it started getting so dark. So this is the pencil. It is so pigmented, very smooth, not at all chalky. It has got intense payoff as well, as it says intense kajal. Definitely have to check other shades out. Last product that I've got from Swiss Beauty is their Bold Matte Lip Liner. Came in this whole box where you get 12 lip liners for 4.99 rupees, guys. I thought that it's such a steal. I want to swatch each shade for you guys. They do smell like crayons. I love the packaging, you guys. You have got so many shades. There's maroon, there's pink, there's red, orange. Also, let me show you one. This is called Purple 11. So it's not at all chalky, like it glides smoothly. So my camera is getting heated, but I tried this lip liner, you guys, and it is very smooth for the price, like $4.99 for 12 freaking eyeliners. So coming on to another makeup product is Blue Heaven eyeliner. This is in the shade green. They have got I think 4-5 more shades in them. I love this shade of green, and also the tip is super small, you guys. Very similar to Lakme eyeliner. It dries completely matte, but it takes some time to dry. It's not waterproof, I think. It does smudge around. So I have to try this product out. I'll try these products in maybe my vlog or maybe in my other video. So then I picked up this Bella Voste liquid dip eyeliner. It's in white color, you guys, and it's a beautiful white. The applicator is so fine, dries completely matte very quickly. It is super matte, very pigmented, and also I love the applicator. I will try to find this. If this is still in stock, grab it, I would say, because white eyeliner is such an essential now. Some brands should come out with pastel neon eyeliners. I don't know why in India we don't have that, but we definitely want good neon and pastel like Fenty Beauty eyeliners. I really want them. Then I got this Nicka K Pure Lip Oil. This is in the shade Fruit Punch. These are called pure lip oil. They contain jojoba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. Whatever shade you buy, they are very sheer, so they smell so good. So although you can see the tint, but onto the lips they are very sheer. I was in search for good affordable lip oil available in India, and this is the one I came across. It feels super nice, you guys. I love it. I have been using it from past 1 week, and I was dying to shoot this video so that I can show it on my Instagram stories to you guys. It's very hydrating and it feels super nice. I think I'm done with all of my makeup products. So now coming on to some skincare products. First product is the Face Shop Ice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. It's rich. They come in other variant light. I've been using this from past 1 year. I have been obsessed with this. Before this I was using some other cleansing oil. It's a little thick. This is super light and it takes off my makeup like a dream. Doesn't break me out, guys. Everyone's skin is different, but it definitely works for my skin type. Also got this small little pouch and this 3 mini travel serums to try. The White Seed Brightening Serum, Yevadam Serum, and Anti-Aging Formula Serum, all from the Face Shop. I've used the White Seed one. I haven't tried both of them, but definitely looking forward. And also I love the pouch. Who loves pouches? Me totally. Another cleanser that I have got is Garnier's Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Now I have been using this from past 3 years or more, and I love this. Before it was not launched in India, I was getting it from UK, you guys. That much how I am obsessed with this product. It's a really nice cleanser. Whatever waterproof products I'm using on my face, this takes it very effortlessly and I love it. And also this was for $3.99. I think there was some offer when I got this, so I paid $2.49 something for this. I have called for another under eye cream. This one is from Himalaya. I am using Indulgio Eye Serum and I don't think it's helping me to remove my dark circles. It was helping me initially, but now it has just stopped. This one is for $200. I'll be trying it in my vlog. I called for Nivea Body Milk again because I was using Faces Canada body moisturizer. It's a little expensive for the quantity of the product you get. I will be definitely repurchasing it when there will be a sale on that product, but for now I have called for this one because I also like this so much. I have been stick to this moisturizer I think from 4 years. I just love this so much. It's very lightweight and I'm from Mumbai. It gets very hot and humid here, so thick moisturizers are like big no-no. Gillette Venus Breeze Refills. I've been using it from past 2-3 years, not on monthly basis, but I do shave when I'm traveling or when I cannot go to salon or sometimes like that. This whole quarantine and lockdown I have been only shaving and I have been stick to this Gillette Venus for the longest, and it comes in pack of 2 refills for $3.50, which is little expensive, but the quality is really nice. It has got this gel bars around it which contains avocado oil. Acts like a soap when you shave, and also they create very creamy texture around your skin so you don't get cut or anything, so you don't have to use any foam or anything. I still use it because my skin is very sensitive, but yeah, I really like this, so I have been using it, so I got one more. Then I got this Jeju Volcanic Lava nose strips. Yesterday in my Instagram stories I showed you guys Tony Moly nose patch which worked beautifully. That was out of stock, so I called for this one. I will be definitely checking this one out in my vlogs this week or maybe next week for sure. I love using nose strips. I do wax my face every 2 months and I have not waxed my face from last 10-11 months, so I do get lot of pores around my nose, and this kind of nose strips helps me with it. Last product that I have got is this makeup brush holder. It's from the brand called London Pride Cosmetics, and guys, when I called for this and I saw it on the site, I thought that it will be little smaller, but look at the size. This was for 1500. इसमें पूरा 500 ग्राम का केक आ जाएगा and I can gift it to somebody with a bouquet. It is so big. I thought कि इतना ही होगा. Is not coming on my table where I shoot my videos. Also यहाँ पे भी नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे cupboards में भी नहीं आ रहा है. I think it will hold all of my makeup brushes. I like to keep in such boxes just so that the dust won't collect it, but this is, अगर 1500 ले रहे हैं तो 1500 जैसा दे रहे हैं. That's everything I have got to share with you guys in this haul. Let me know which product you like the most in this haul in the comment section. I'm sure you must have loved Champagne Pop as I did, and I also love this lip oil. But you also let me know what were your favorites. Also give me more video ideas in the comment section. Please don't give me ideas for clothing or fashion try on hauls because I can't do that. But I'll definitely do makeup tutorials and hauls and all of that. Vlogs will be definitely there on my channel for sure. If you have not catched up on my vlogs, you can definitely click up here and check it out. Yes, I will be seeing you very soon in my next one, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Take care. Bye.